Hello guys, last previous period we studied our lesson number 4, direction and the map. I explained how there are four types of the directions: east, west, north and south, and how to identify the direction and which things are help to identify the direction, like that sunrise and sunset. Those direction is the sunrise, it is called to the east, and those direction is a sunset, it is called to the west. Between the east and west, upper side is a south and down side is a upper side is a north and down side is a south. There are four direction. Now look at this video.
Of brain power.
Use your brain power.
Number 1.
Guys,
Stand facing the rising sun. In which direction is your right ear? In which direction is your left ear? Well, if I'll be standing facing rising sun, my right ear is in the south direction and the left ear is in the north direction. Number 2. In which direction will your shadow fall at sunset? At the sunset, the shadow would fall in the east direction. District, state, and country. India is my country. We have been reading this sentence in the pledge ever since Standard 1. You must have read the words state, nation, and world. In this textbook too, you will find the words earth, world, country, state, district, taluka, and village in many places. Come, let us get to know district, state, country, the earth, and world. We live in a house. Our houses are built on land. This land is spread very far and wide. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Like continents, salt water too occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. The earth is also called the world. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in the state of Maharashtra, and you know that. Our country, India, is made up of many states. Maps of your district, Maharashtra state, India, and the world have been given in this lesson. Complete the activities based on the maps.
now student, we show in that video is there are four direction. Use the method while reading the maps. View in your textbook how to identify yourself the direction. Now when you are facing in the rising sun, जब आपका मुंह जब जिस डायरेक्शन से सन निकलता है उस डायरेक्शन में अगर आप खड़े हो तो आपका जो ये है ईयर जो है, तो आपका लेफ्ट ईयर जो है डायरेक्शन, द लेफ्ट ईयर इज़ अ नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन एंड राइट ईयर इज़ अ साउथ डायरेक्शन and our back side is a west direction. So it is the easy way to identify our direction. In which direction will the shadow fall at the sunset? अगर आप सनसेट की तरफ मुँह करके खड़े तो आपकी शैडो जो है वो इस डायरेक्शन को गिरेंगी नीचे ज़मीन पर. तो इससे वजह से भी आप लोग आपका खुद होकर you identify in your own self the direction. Now next topic is our district, state and country. India is our country. In each book it's a first page. On that page we have to be reading this the sentence pledge, India is my country. So you must read the word state, then after district, then after world, then after nation. In this textbook we all too familiar this word. It's our earth, guys. Okay, is the world. It's the world. It's our country. India is our country. And then after it's our state. Maharashtra is our state. And then after it's our district. Buldana is our district. And it's our village when we are live us. In this textbook all these the word you familiar about this. Now this lesson we studied it district, state, country, then after earth, and then after world. We live in a house. हम लोग सभी फैमिली में रहते हैं. अवर हाउसेस आर बुल्ड ऑन द लैंड. ज़मीन पे हमारे घर जो है बुल्ड अप होते हैं. दिस लैंड इज स्प्रेड इज़ अ फार एंड वाइड. तो हमारे जो घर है ये ऐसे पूरे एरिया पे ऑक्यूपाइड रहते. तो वास्ट सेक्शन जो ज़्यादा ऑक्यूपाइड करा हुआ जो प्लेस रहता है उसी प्लेस को हम लोग कॉन्टिनेंट कहते हैं. लाइक द कॉन्टिनेंट सॉल्ट वाटर बॉडीज ऑक्यूपाइड इन द सर्फेस ऑफ द अर्थ. उसी तरह से ज़मीन पे पृथ्वी पे होल अर्थ पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पार्ट जो है सॉल्ट वाटर बॉडीज जो ओशन का है. द अर्थ इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ वर्ल्ड. अर्थ का ही दूसरा नाम वर्ल्ड है. देयर आर मेनी कंट्रीज ऑन द लैंड. द कंट्रीज आर मेड अप बाय द सेवरल स्टेट. बहुत सारी कंट्रीज है, उस कंट्री में बहुत सारे स्टेट है. लाइक दैट अवर इंडिया में हमारा महाराष्ट्र है. Our country in India is made by the such the many states like the Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Now we studied in our own this state Maharashtra, and in that the state there is a main district is Buldana. We live us in our Buldana. Complete these the activities based on this map. Okay, guys. In each map there are few things are mentioned. It is very important. Do you know about that? Which are the things? The index, symbols, pictures, signs are also mentioned in that map. Otherwise we can't read this the map. Look at this the video, guys. Color also mentioned here. It's the Madhya Pradesh district map. स्टेट मैप. दिस लिस्ट इज कॉल्ड इंडेक्स. जो ये सब चीज़ें मेंशन करे हुए रहती है नीचे बॉक्स में आपको दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे हाईलाइट किया हुआ जो दिख रहा है वो है आपका इंडेक्स. इंडेक्स इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रीडिंग फॉर द मैप. सो ऑल व्हेन यू आर फिल अप एवरी टाइम द मैप यू मेंशन द इंडेक्स प्रॉपरली. द मैप ऑफ आवर कंट्री इज गिवन बिलो. द कैपिटल इज आवर इंडिया's कैपिटल इज दिल्ली. Find our Maharashtra state on the map, our country, and color it. It's the light skin color is our Maharashtra. Other thing also is mentioned. The map is in the world are out given below. Australia, Asia continent, Africa, Europe, America. Land is shown in the white can color and water bodies is color in a blue. Okay, guys. It's a continent, Africa. This special map has been created so that all the you identify. In the map of the world given above, color the part of the label in India. It's our activity, guys. You collect the map of India and you fill up all the state. And also you collect the map of Maharashtra and you color it in the each district in this map. This is our country. Okay, student.